Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making some quick and easy air fryer lemon pepper wings. First thing you're going to do is clean your chicken. I clean my chicken with lemon, vinegar, and water. Next thing you're going to do is put it in a bowl and try to get as much moisture out of the chicken as you can so that when you put them in the air fryer they will be nice and crispy. So what you see me doing here is just getting some nice, good quality bouncy paper towels and trying to absorb some of the moisture. And then I just put a lid on top of it to try to drain out some of the moisture from the bottom. Now you're going to start to season your chicken. You can use whatever seasonings you want. Um, this particular day I just used some Sassoon, some all-purpose seasoning, and some Cajun seasoning. Try not to over season your chicken so that it doesn't be too salty because you got to remember in the end you're going to be putting lemon pepper on it. Once you got everything nice and seasoned, you're going to put a lid on your bowl and just shake it up so that your chicken can be fully coated in the seasoning. I could not find the correct lid for this bowl, so I just made it work with what I had. So once your chicken is nice and covered with your seasoning, you're just going to put them in your air fryer basket. You want them, you don't have to spray your air fryer basket, but if you want to, you can spray it with a little bit of cooking spray and then put the chicken in there. Don't overcrowd the basket because then it won't get crispy. Put enough in there that it covers the bottom, but they're not, they can touch, but don't have them like sitting on top of each other. So I normally do small batches, like about 7 to 10 at a time, depending on how big the wings are. So just arrange them in your basket. As you can see, I took one out because I just felt like it would have been too much. But so just arrange them in your basket so that they are laying flat and not really sitting on top of each other. Then you're going to put it in your air fryer. You want to put it on 400 degrees for 15 minutes. Once that 15 minutes is up, what you're going to do is open your basket, open your air fryer and take your basket out. You want to shake the chicken so that they're not sticking to the bottom of the basket. And once you get it shaken, you can either shake them or you can just use a fork and flip them over. So after you do that, you're going to put them back in the air fryer for another 10 minutes at 400 degrees. And once those 10 minutes are done, this is what they will look like. As you can see, they're nice and golden brown. If you want them crispier, then just put it in there longer. If you don't want them that crispy, then leave them in there for about 7 minutes instead of 10 minutes. Next, you're going to get a bowl and put you some butter in it. Melt the butter in the microwave, and then you're going to add your wings to the butter. And now, once you got your wings in the butter, you're just going to get your lemon pepper seasoning. I use Tones. I normally get it from Sam's Club. You can get it from, I think you can get it from Costco. They might even sell it at Walmart. And you just put however much you like or however little you like. Um, you just add that to your bowl. And then you got you some lemon pepper wings. Extra crispy, extra wet. All flats or all drums, whatever you prefer. And then so once you put your lemon pepper seasoning on there, just put your lid on there. Shake it up, shake it up, shake it up, shake it up until everything is coated. And then you got you some nice crispy wings.